Welcome ladies and gentlemen to this lecture. What will this course teach you? In this course, I will not only teach you the exact same 3 dimensions which Mr. J. Abraham teaches his client for 5,000 US dollars, which in my opinion is a great value for 5,000 US dollars since it accelerates the growth of business which every business owner wants. However, in this course, you won't just learn these 3 dimensions. In addition to these 3 dimensions, you will learn, dissect and explore 5 additional key dimensions which will help you in converting your business into a value-centric cash flow machine. You can apply these dimensions straight away to your business irrespective of your industry. I will explain these dimensions in easy to understand, concise and condensed value-packed lectures which will make the concepts easy to understand. As Albert Einstein said, if we cannot explain it simply enough, we don't understand it well. In the end, I will provide a blueprint which will help you in developing a well-rounded business strategy for your business that will put it on the right track for exponential growth. To accomplish your goal of formulating your business strategy via the dimensional approach taught in this course, you must avoid distractions while you are listening to the lectures. Remain focused, go through all the lectures, and take notes to develop an intuition of the concepts which you will learn. After you have taken this course, you must take massive action to implement your strategy. Thank you very much for your time, ladies and gentlemen, and let's proceed to the next lecture.